This is obviously an extremely logical place to have a plant, but I'm just trying to show you the scale. Hey guys, what's up? It's Erin. There was some very exciting planty mail today, so I'm gonna open it because I ordered it yesterday and it's here today. So this is, if you are not aware, Hilton Carter has a Target collaboration out now, and it's different vessels, his book, and different silk plant. But I ordered a planter, his 11-inch outdoor planter, and we're gonna check it out. I'm gonna get my golden shears. If you aren't already aware, Hilton Carter is a plant influencer. If you don't follow him already on Instagram, you definitely should, because not only is he really informative with his tips and tricks for plant owners, but he just has the best jovial vibes ever, because it's sort of wrong to imagine plant influencer or a plant person in general who is disgruntled, because we all know that's not how plants make us feel. They make us feel happy. And here we go. There's some styrofoam action, of course, because this is fragile. Fragile. Oh. Hilton Carter plant stand. $50. I paid for this. But the crazy thing is, I ordered this from Target yesterday. So I knew that this line was going to launch yesterday, April 2nd, and I really quickly in the morning ordered it, and damn it, it is here today. So that's really exciting. This is really cool looking. This is heavy. It's solid. Hilton Carter's aesthetic is very living amongst your plant, jungle vibe, very neutral tones. Plants are usually the pop of color. I have always admired his design aesthetic. Oh my god, I'm sorry. I know you have better things to do than watch me struggle with this packaging. I can't. How did they even get this in here? Okay. Step 1, wrestle with the outer packaging. Step 2, admire this gorgeous vessel. Step 3, god, this is heavy. Okay, so this is solid. If you drop that on your foot, you would be very sorry. So this is extremely well made. And how cute is this? This is so chic. Damn it, Hilton, this is really good. Also, important to note, any pot that's really worth a damn is usually going to have, especially a big one like this, is going to have a drainage hole. But in fact, yesterday I had some kind of cheapy pots that I had purchased from Home Depot, which did not have drainage holes, and I just drilled one in myself. So it's very easy to DIY that. Here she is. This looks great. I'm going to find something to put this in and show you. Stan decided to bring it over. So this girl here, she's not blowing over. She's not going anywhere. This is solid. It's very well made, totally delivered as far as the Hilton Carter design aesthetic that I really like. I spent way too much money, but I'm here to support happy plant artists and happy plant people. So excellent collaboration. I am excited for all the things to arrive. The vessels really showcase the beauty. All right, so it's the next day, and we had a little bit of a catastrophe. So there was 3 boxes delivered, and the largest pot, the 13-inch round planter, came literally like that. No styrofoam, no plastic, nothing. So of course it shattered into a million pieces. So when it arrives, I guess the rate limiting factor is there styrofoam? If there is styrofoam, you have a chance in hell. But otherwise, this is so sad. So I'm going to take it back to Target today. I was trying to figure out what the narrative could have been for this disastrous packaging, and I feel like maybe they were so overwhelmed with orders that it was just all hands on deck and things were just being thrown into boxes. Okay, this one here, second box, not much better, although, so they still missed the mark. There's no styrofoam, but there is some plastic here, which did not appear to do much difference, because it's not good when you hear. That's a bad sound. But this is broken. That's a small one. And then the one that I had unboxed yesterday, see, were broken. Ugh, So sad. So back to the store for this, guys. Welcome back. I am back from my Target run, which was surprisingly not that dramatic, and I was able to either return or refund a lot of the broken items. So here's what everything looks like. The 7-inch ceramic outdoor planter, which I put this cute little money plant in. This arrived not broken, so was happy with this one. And again, pretty sturdy and heavy. This is a great purchase. And this one was like pretty inexpensive. So next, I actually had ordered a second one, the one that I unboxed yesterday previously, and I'm still loving this one. This is my second favorite because my first favorite is the one that sadly they only had one of in store and looks like it's sold out online. This is the 13-inch wide round outdoor ceramic planter, and this is a beast and so cool looking. Even then, the whole scenario wasn't perfect. There was like a little bit of discoloration and a markup on the planter, so I just asked if I could possibly get a discount, and they gave me 20% off, and I was happy with that because it was discounted, and you know, I just really wanted it. So I'm excited to put something larger in this, and this definitely is a cool statement piece. So this is my favorite. Sadly, 3-inch little black pot was totally sold out in store, so I was out of luck on that. But it's fine. I'm counting my lucky stars that I was able to get my hands on these because they are lovely. The last one that I hadn't actually unwrapped yet was the 9-inch wide hooded stoneware pot, which miraculously came with minimal plastic and arrived intact. So for that, I am grateful, and I believe these were still online. So yes, this is really cool. Loving this monochromatic vibe that he's got going here. Like I said, I think the vibe is the plants and flowers are the pop of color. So cool. I can't remember being this excited for a collaboration in so long. Thrilled with these, like honestly. Would it have been cool if I got a matching set of these to put, you know, on like either side of something? Yes, but like I said, happy with these. So all is well. Okay, this sweater's overkill. Very hot. I just made that Monstera Esqueleto fly. Dude, I would have been so bummed if this was broken. I'm so clumsy. Tell me. Okay. It's fine. She's fine. So that concludes this unboxing of the Hilton Carter for Target collaboration. Loving the quality, loving the aesthetic of this. If you want to see more plant unboxings, if you like plant care tips and tricks, and you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up, and I would love if you would subscribe. All right, until next time, see you, plant people.